Hello riders, welcome back to Ride and Drive Review, your trusted destination for exciting motorcycle reviews, premium touring machines, and the latest automotive and motorcycle innovations. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Honda Goldwing Velocity Master 2026, a bold and luxurious touring motorcycle concept built around comfort, long-distance performance, advanced technology, and unmistakable road presence. If you love premium motorcycles that combine power, sophistication, and effortless touring capability, this is a machine you will definitely want to hear about. The Honda Goldwing Velocity Master 2026 presents an impressive interpretation of the legendary Goldwing philosophy, with a sleek exterior design that looks powerful from every angle. The front section features an aggressive yet refined appearance, premium LED lighting, aerodynamic bodywork, and a strong touring stance. Its large fairing is designed to provide excellent wind protection while giving the motorcycle a commanding presence on the highway. The sculpted body panels, premium finishing, wide stance, and elegant proportions create a sophisticated appearance that feels both modern and luxurious. The overall design is especially attractive for riders who want a motorcycle that looks expensive, distinctive, and ready for serious road trips. Moving inside to the rider and passenger area, the Velocity Master focuses heavily on comfort. The seating position is designed for relaxed long-distance riding, while the spacious seat provides supportive cushioning for both rider and passenger. The cockpit brings together premium controls, a modern digital display, intuitive switches, and technology designed to keep important information easily accessible. The touring-focused layout helps create a comfortable environment for extended journeys, whether you are traveling across the city or spending hours on an American highway. Technology is another major part of the Honda Goldwing Velocity Master 2026 experience. A premium infotainment system can provide navigation, connectivity, audio functionality, and access to important riding information. Smartphone integration and Bluetooth-style connectivity make it easier to stay connected while maintaining focus on the road. Advanced lighting technology improves visibility, while modern rider assistance and safety technologies can add confidence during everyday riding and long-distance touring. When it comes to performance, the Goldwing name is associated with smooth, strong, effortless power. For this Velocity Master 2026 concept, the expected powertrain direction is a refined 6-cylinder touring engine delivering strong torque and smooth acceleration. Honda's current Goldwing platform uses a 1,833cc liquid-cooled horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, and that figure provides a useful reference point for the engine capacity associated with the Goldwing family. The exact specifications, output, and equipment of any specially named Velocity Master Edition should be confirmed from official Honda information before purchase, because this name may represent a custom or concept designation rather than an officially announced US production trim. On the road, the character of a premium Goldwing is all about smoothness and control rather than simply chasing extreme speed. Strong low-end and mid-range torque can make highway acceleration feel effortless, while the motorcycle's touring-focused chassis is designed to deliver stability and confidence. For riders who enjoy long-distance travel, that combination of smooth power, substantial road presence, comfortable ergonomics, and premium technology is what makes the Goldwing formula so appealing. The braking and suspension systems are equally important on a large touring motorcycle. A sophisticated chassis, responsive braking hardware, advanced suspension technology, and rider-focused electronic systems can help the motorcycle remain composed during changing road conditions. Safety-focused features such as modern LED lighting, traction management, riding modes, and other electronic assistance can further enhance rider confidence, depending on the final equipment specification. One of the strongest advantages of the Honda Goldwing Velocity Master 2026 is its touring personality. This is a motorcycle designed around the idea of going farther in greater comfort. The generous storage capacity, passenger-friendly seating, wind protection, premium cockpit, and relaxed riding position make it particularly appealing to riders who consider the journey just as important as the destination. Whether the route takes you through busy American highways, beautiful mountain roads, or long interstate stretches, the Goldwing philosophy is built around making every mile more enjoyable. Now let's talk about price. Because the Honda Goldwing Velocity Master 2026 is not a clearly established official Honda US production trim in the information available for this script, there is no verified official US MSRP specifically for a Velocity Master Edition. For an accurate video, it is better not to present an invented price as an official Honda price. The standard 2026 Gold Wing pricing and final specifications should be checked through Honda's official US information when available, while any custom Velocity Master package could naturally carry a different price depending on its equipment and modifications. What makes the Velocity Master name so appealing is the combination of luxury, performance, technology, and touring capability. It represents the kind of motorcycle that can attract attention when parked and deliver confidence once the road opens up. The sophisticated bodywork, premium interior, advanced cockpit, strong six-cylinder character, comfortable seating, practical touring design, and unmistakable gold wing presence create a package aimed at riders who want something more than basic transportation. The Honda Gold Wing Velocity Master 2026 is ultimately about the complete riding experience. It brings together bold styling, premium comfort, impressive engineering, advanced technology, and long-distance capability into one powerful touring-focused package. For riders searching for a luxury motorcycle that feels special every time they start the engine, the Velocity Master concept delivers an exciting vision of what a modern Gold Wing can represent. So, what do you think about the Honda Gold Wing Velocity Master 2026? Do you like its luxurious touring character, powerful six-cylinder concept, futuristic technology, and premium design? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, share it with other motorcycle enthusiasts, and subscribe to Ride and Drive Review for more exciting motorcycle reviews, new model updates, specifications, features, and premium touring content. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next ride. Thanks for watching Ride and Drive Review, and we will see you in the next review.